Hi, this is Laura Turner, and today we're going to talk about how to get a copy of your college diploma. Of course, you're going to receive your diploma whenever you get your degree, but in order to actually get a copy, if your diploma has been, let's say, it's been burned, or it's been lost, or it's been messed up somehow, to actually get a copy of your diploma is pretty simple. Go to your your college website. Every college is going to be a little different. Some colleges may require paper applications. Some colleges may actually take email applications. But what you're going to find, either if you go to the registrar office or you go to the website online, you're going to find a diploma replacement form. And it's going to ask you information like what is your name, what major did you receive your degree in, did you graduate with honors, and of course the date on which you did graduate. So you have to have that information handy just so that they can reprint the diploma or look it up for you. And then you're going to have to pay just a small fee, and they should send it to you directly to your house. So it's really not that difficult to get a copy of your college diploma.